Okay guys, and welcome to this video. All right, so a very quick one right here. We are going to be talking about ASTER airdrop. Okay, so this is an airdrop that has been around for a couple of weeks now, and they are rounding up their season 2. The season 1 was very massive. Those who qualified for the season 1 can testify that they cashed out real time, and now it is time for the season 2 conclusion. We have about 1 week before the season 2 finally concludes, and on this video guys, I'm going to be showing you all you need to know about the ASTER airdrop, all the information concerning it, and how you can be able to trade right here on the ASTER exchange in order for you to qualify to receive an airdrop from the ASTER protocol. All right, so right now guys, without talking much guys, we are going to be going straight to the point. And right now guys, before we start the video properly, there's something you need to do right now, which is participating on our free tone coin giveaway. So in case you are interested in that, you can simply go ahead and click on the subscription button down below if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, and click on this bell icon again and select all, so that whenever we post new video you will know about it. Finally, you go ahead and give us a thumbs up right here, share the video to anywhere you want, and finally drop a very nice comment to be part of our tone coin giveaway. So with that being said guys, let's go back to the business of the day. So there have been a lot of news about this ASTER airdrop, where even the CEO of Binance crypto exchange, we all know that Binance is the world leading cryptocurrency exchange, and the founder of Binance has come out to actually testify that he is among the he has an influence on the ASTER DEX. He also confirmed that ASTER is a direct competition to Binance. So this simply says that ASTER is not a project that you should fade, or is not a project that you can joke about. So let's not talk a lot of things about this project. Let's go straight into the business of the day, right? So first of all, what do you need to do in order for you to qualify for the ASTER airdrop? What you need to do is very simple, and that is trading. All right, you simply need to trade in order for you to qualify for the ASTER airdrop. Okay, so right now let's go ahead and learn the rules guiding this airdrop before we jump into how you can be able to do some stuff. So coming over here right now, you can see what we have right here is the documents containing all the rules of this airdrop and how you can be able to end them. Of course, like we already may have known, this airdrop season 2, which is the one we are currently on, is going to end on the 35th of October 2025. And of course, there are about 4%, that is 4% of the total supply of ASTER is going to be used for the airdrop, confirmed right here. And of course, when you scroll down a little bit, you can see that we have the how do RH points work. What is RH in the first place? RH is simply the points that we accumulate ahead of the airdrop distribution. All right, so the snapshot is going to be taken on the same day, which is on the 5th of October. So we have from now till 5th of October to do whatever we want. And of course, there are a lot of factors that will determine how good you are going to perform on this airdrop, and that is capital. If you have enough capital, you can easily accumulate much RH point. All right, so let's go ahead and explore some of other things right here. So coming over here right now, there are several ways of earning this airdrop, and it include the following. Okay, and these are trading volume, that is how much your total trading volume, that is how much you used in the trading. And of course, your holding time, which is how long you hold a position. And of course, holding ASTER assets like USDF or ASBNB can also influence the allocation, and also the amount of profit you make also have influenced your airdrop allocation, or the loss you incur also influence your airdrop allocation, or the team you join. All right, this team is very, very important. So if you join a profitable team, you are going to be earning boost. All right, so and that boost is going to push your airdrop allocation very high, making you to earn even bigger. And finally, your referral commission points. All right, so these are the 7 ways that you can actually earn this ASTER airdrop, guys. So you can go ahead and read many other things right here. Also on this video, I'm going to be explaining to you the strategy that you need to use to actually trade risk free right here. Okay, so with all this being acknowledged, these are the rules to actually earn. You can go ahead to read all this up right here, but let's go straight into the main business of the day. So first of all is, how do you actually trade? You cannot trade without funds, right? Over here we are using real funds, meaning that whatever you lose right here is gone. And remember, we have just 1 week, so if you have much fun, you can go ahead and use it. All right, so first of all, you need to connect your wallet. Make sure your wallet is connected, then you select BSE. If you have your assets on Ethereum, Arbitrum or Solana, you can still use it, but for this video I'm going to be using BNB chain. Okay, so first of all, before you trade, you need to make a deposit, and over here I have about 5.77 USD. So what do I need to do? And the strategy that I need to use right here is that first of all, I need to increase my deposit. Okay, so I will click on deposit right now. So I need to select the account I want to deposit into. I'm going to be depositing into perpetual account, which is of course the future trading, because one thing about this is if you are trading this perpetual trading right here, if you are trading on perpetual, you can easily influence your trading volume because you can use higher leverage. I will get to that. Okay, so right now guys, I want to select the asset I want to deposit. I want to be depositing I want to be depositing USDT. So it is recommended that you deposit USDF, and I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get USDF, but for this tutorial I'm going to be using USDT, because if you are using a mobile phone, USDT will be way easier for you to use. But if you try to use USDF and you are using a mobile phone, you might find some confusion along the way. So it is better you use USDT. The difference is that if you are using USDT, you are only going to be earning 1 point at a time, but if you are using USDF, you are going to be earning double points at a time. But I'm going to be using USDT because that's the one I can easily use for this tutorial. So right now guys, I have to go ahead and select the amount I want to deposit. I'm going to be depositing 10 USD. I have 11 right here on my Airdrop wallet. So if you have something bigger than this, you can go ahead and deposit it, but remember, this is risky. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Moreover, this is a quick disclaimer: this video is not a financial advice. You are responsible for all your actions, and whatever you do right here, you are responsible for it 100%. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Okay, so we go ahead and deposit 10 USD. I will click on approve. This is going to be prompting the wallet that I actually connected, and right now I need to go ahead and confirm the deposit through my wallet. Okay, and finally right here I will click on confirm. Okay, so clicking on confirm right now, our deposit is going to be going through right now. Okay, so right now guys, you can see it is still processing, and in just a little short time we are going to be receiving our funds right here on the perpetual trading account. Okay, so one more confirmation right here. You need to confirm this last confirmation to process your deposit successfully. I will click on confirm right now. Okay, so once I've clicked on confirm, our deposit should be going through right now. You can see finally our deposit has gone through. So right now we can now proceed with the trading. So looking over here, you can see it hasn't reflected, but once I refresh this page like this, okay, once I refresh this page, it is going to be showing up right there immediately. Okay, and finally right here you can see our balance has increased, so we need to go ahead and trade. So like I said earlier, I'll be showing how you can trade risk free. Okay, this is my strategy and you should apply it too. So this is perpetual trading, right? I will click over here on short. I'll be shorting only, but you need to do your analysis to know what to do. All right, one thing about this perpetual trading right here, if you are trading ASTER against USDT, you are shorting. If you are shorting, you are receiving some certain fee, but if you are longing, you are paying some certain fee. So I will go for short on this case. I will click on short right now. Short means you are predicting that the market is going to go down. Make sure that you select isolated right here. Make sure it's showing isolated, so before you go ahead and trade. So right now I'll be shorting it from here. I will put my size. I will only short it with 5 USD because my position is very little. Looking over, you can see my leverage right here is just 1. Okay, but what it means is that if you put your leverage to something higher, let me show you right now. If you put your leverage to something very, very high, like maybe 50x or whatever, I'm trying to price this, but it's not going through. If you put your leverage to something maybe 50 like this, okay, maybe 50 like this, what it simply means is 5 times 50 or 50 times 5. Now instead of your total volume to be that 5 USD that you are using, your total volume is going to be 50 times 5. all right, increasing it drastically, but the risk is that you can easily get liquidated. So stick with 1x leverage. Whatever you get at the end, you will manage it. That's the better thing to do. So I will leave mine at 1x leverage so that my liquidation point will be very, very far and I won't get liquidated possibly. So right now I will go ahead and short it from here. I will be going with the market order so that the order will be executed immediately. So I will click on sell short, and right now guys, they need to actually confirm something right here. Okay, bear with me. I think the position should be more than $5. Okay, I will put it to maybe 5.1 like this. I will then click on sell short. Okay, right now I need to confirm it that I'm shorting this right now. I just short it right now with 1 USD. all right, you can see I've opened a position right here. I've short it with 5 USDT with 1x leverage. So what do I need to do right now to make sure that I'm not risking anything? I will then go to spot trading. I will click over here on spot trading and select spot trading right this. Okay, once I'm now on spot trading, I will be buying instead of selling. Remember, on the perpetual trading I short. Right now that I'm on spot trading, I'm going to be buying instead. So I will click on buy right now. So I'll be buying under the market condition so that you buy immediately. So over here I have 0.4 USD. Okay, so looking over here, you can see transfer up right here. I will click on transfer. So I'm now transferring from perpetual, where my funds are, to spot, where I need my funds to be. So I'll be transferring maybe 6 USD. Okay, I will click on transfer right now. So the transfer should be done instantly. So I will go back right now, then I will click on buy. So right now you can see my fund has landed right here. So I'll be buying with 5 USD, 5.1, the same price that I short with. So right now I will click on buy right now. So this is going to, you can see order submitted immediately right now, and this should have bought ASTER for me. This simply means that I short with 5.1 USD and I come over here to spot and I bought with 5 USDT also. So this has actually put me in a position whereby if I'm losing on spot, I'm gaining on futures or perpetual. If I'm losing on perpetuals, I'm gaining on spot. So this is how you can trade it risk free. So next thing is, like they said right here, holding ASTER, holding ASTER assets earns you reward. So to be able to get ASTER token like USDF, you come over here to reward, then you click on trade and earn. So let me go to trade and earn right now. Over here on trade and earn, you simply mint USDF using your USDT in your wallet. You simply put the amount you want to mint right here, then it will show up here automatically. You approve it, then deposit it. So in that way you are going to be getting USDF, which when you are holding, you are also earning airdrops points or ASBMB. The same thing applies. Okay, so next thing we need to talk about right here is of course the referral. So let's go to referral right now. So over here on the referral, this is where you can get your referral points and all that. And looking down right here, you can see this is the summary of my referral. I have 29 referral right here with a total of 35,000 USDT in total volume. Only one person is trading, but all these people right here, they don't know that it is only when you are trading that is when you are going to be earning points. So there's no points in you trying to participate on the ASTER airdrop without being ready to trade. So but if you use my strategy, you are going to be trading risk free. Okay, so right now let's go to the points. Let me show you something right there on points before we conclude the video. So I will click on reward, then I will select points. So over here on point, this is where you are going to be seeing your total RH. All right, so looking over here, you can see I have 5.6 total RH, and over here, this is a new week. Nothing is showing up right here. Of course, all this showing right here is how you accumulate your points, but this is a new week today, and no points has shown up right here. When I go to the previous week, this is it right here. I will click on it. You can see these are what I was able to accumulate last week. Okay, this is what I got last week because I started middle of last week and I was able to accumulate just this. All right, but for this new week, I believe I'm going to be getting something better. So your trading points will account for you how long you are holding now that you are trading risk free, you are going to be holding the position for a very long time. Whether you are on gain or on loss, you are going to be earning points, and for holding ASTER asset you are also gaining points, and also for referring people you are earning points, and also for ranking up, everything you are doing right here literally earn you points. So this is the last week, and I believe using this strategy I'm going to earn something very, very interesting, guys. So this is literally all you need to know about the ASTER airdrop in no pass like this, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you made it to this point, thank you for watching, and I believe if you apply what I just said right now, you are definitely going to be in profit at the end. All right, so this is how simple it is, guys. So if you have any question, drop it right there in the comment section and I'll be there to respond to you immediately. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and join us on the Tone giveaway. Winners are announced on our Telegram channel regularly. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very, very soon.